और 13 सेकंड हुए।
Good morning, all of you. Today, discuss linear equation in two variables. Question is, find K for pairs of linear equation has pairs of linear equation has infinite many solutions. Many solutions. Equation 2x plus 3y equal to 7 और second equation k plus 1x plus 2k minus 1y equal to 4k plus 1. This equation has infinitely many solutions. Find the values of k. The condition of infinitely many solutions is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. For infinitely many solutions, if equation has many solutions, then a1 by a2, b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. In this condition, a1 is 2, a2 k plus 1, b1 is 3 और b2 2k minus 1, c1 7 and c2 4k plus 1. c2 is 4k plus 1. Now find k. In case 1, 2 by k plus 1 equal to 3 by 2k minus 1. Case 1. Case 2, 3 by 2k minus 1 is equal to 7 by 4k plus 1. आप इसमें लिख सकते हैं केस 1 में 2 by k plus 1 is equal to 3 by 2k minus 1 और केस 2 में 3 by 2k minus 1 equal to 7 by 4k plus 1. By cross multiplication, 3 into k plus 1 is equal to 2 into 2k minus 1. Solve this equation. 3k plus 3 is equal to 2 into 2k, 4k minus 2. Now arrange this equation. 3k minus 4k 3k minus 4k is equal to minus 2 minus 3 minus k is equal to minus 5 and k equal to 5. In first case, find k equal to 5. Okay. Now also the values of k in the case 2. 3 into 4k plus 1 केस 2 का ले रहे हैं. 3 इंटू यहीं पर सॉल्व कीजिए. 7 2k माइनस 1 3 4k प्लस 1 14k minus 7 is equal to 12k plus 3. 14k minus 12k इस 12k को लेफ्ट साइड लाइए. माइनस 12k इक्वल टू 3 प्लस 7. 14k माइनस 12k इक्वल टू 2k इक्वल टू 10. तो k इक्वल टू 5. In both case I find k इक्वल टू 5. तो यहाँ पर सोल्यूशन फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ k यानी k इक्वल टू 5. आप इसको वेरीफाई भी कर सकते हैं. अगर इस इक्वेशन में अगर हम पुट करते हैं, पुट वेरीफाई के लिए पुट k इक्वल टू 5. नाउ दिस इक्वेशन 2 by 5 plus 1 is 6. 2 by 6. 3 divided by 2 into 5 10. 10 minus 1 9. 7 by 4 into 5 20. 20 plus 1 21. यानी आप इसमें k का वैल्यू अगर पुट कर दिए, जो कंडीशन था a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. इसको सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म कर रहे हैं. 2 3 जा 6, 3 3 जा 9, 7 3 जा 21. and in each case I found 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. means a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. यानी कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है. अगर कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई किया कि a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, so k is equal to 5. यानी इस वैल्यू के लिए कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है. ओके. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Question 2. Find k find a and b for which the following pairs of linear equation following pair of linear equation have an infinite number of solutions. An infinite number of solutions. My first equation, x plus 3y equal to 7 and 2x. Second, a minus bx plus a plus by equal to 3a plus b minus 2. Again repeat. 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. A minus bx plus a plus by is equal to 3a plus b minus 2. Find the values of a and b. A equation have infinite solution. So in this equation, first of all, the condition of infinite solution, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So a1 is equal to 2, b1 equal to 3, and c1 is equal to 7. In first equation, coefficient of x is called a1, coefficient of y is called b1, and constant term is called c1. In second equation, a2, a minus b, b2, a plus b, and c2, 3a plus b minus 2. Coefficient of x in second equation is called a2, coefficient of y is called b2, and constant term is called c2. Now, in equation have infinite number of solution, the infinite solution, a1 by a2, b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Now, putting the value of a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2. a1 belongs to divided by a2, a minus b, b1, 3, b2, a plus b, c1, 7, and c2, 3a plus b minus 2. Now find two equations in the form of a plus b. In first case, 2 by a minus b equal to 3 by a plus b. So case 1, इसको क्रॉस कर दे और केस 2 में इसको क्रॉस कर दे. तो 3 into a minus b equal to 2 into a plus b. 2 into a plus b. और केस 2 में हम इसको क्रॉस कर दे रहे हैं. तो 3 into 3a 3 into 3a C minus 2 is equal to 7 into A plus B. First case, this is equal to this, and second case, this is equal to this, or taking cross multiplication or arrange in equation. Now 3 into A, 3A minus 3B, 2A plus 2B. इस 3 का प्रोडक्ट बोथ टर्म में और 2 का प्रोडक्ट A and B. So 3A minus 2A is equal to 2B minus plus 3B. 3A minus 2A, A is equal to 2B plus 3B, 5B. This is equation first. Now write also in this equation A minus 5B equal to 0. But in second equation, second case, 3 into 3, 9A plus 3B minus 6 equal to 7 into A, 7A plus 7B. 9A minus 7A, 3B minus 7B equal to 6, 9A minus 7A, 2A and 3B minus 7B minus 4B is equal to 6. Equal to 6. या तो आप इस दोनों इक्वेशन को अरेंज कर लो और नहीं तो आप डायरेक्ट भी वैल्यू पुट कर सकते हो इसमें. इससे आप 2 कॉमन ले लो और सिंपलाइज हो जाएगा. A माइनस 2B इक्वल टू 3. इक्वेशन 2 और यहाँ पर A माइनस 5B इक्वल टू 0. इक्वेशन 1. Now subtract equation, subtract 2 या equation 1 from 2. 2 equation A minus 2B is equal to 3 and A minus 5B is equal to 3. हम इस इक्वेशन से इसको सेपरेट कर रहे हैं. यहाँ दोनों प्लस में है इसलिए हम सेपरेट किए. क्या किए? सेपरेट किए. नाउ चेंज सिंबल. प्लस का माइनस, माइनस का प्लस. यहाँ प्लस है तो माइनस. फर्स्ट टर्म के लिए माइनस 2B और प्लस 5B यानी 3B और 3 माइनस 0 इक्वल टू 3. तो B इक्वल टू 1. आपका B का सॉल्यूशन आ गया. B इक्वल टू 1. नाउ पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ B इन इक्वेशन 1. Putting the value of B in equation 1. First equation is A is equal to 5B. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. A is equal to 5. Solution में A is equal to 5 और B is equal to 1. This is your solution. It is clear? And A equal to A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 1 is the solution of this